Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Cursed City mini. This week it is Vargskyr. It was primed in black and given a white zenithal highlight. I start off with Corpse Pale for all of those fleshy parts. As you can probably tell straight away, it's going to need a few coats to get this up to the sort of opacity that I really want. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. There you can suggest video ideas or share anything you have been working on. I also stream on Twitch if you want to come and hang out. I stream Wednesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. For the wing-like things on the arms, I used barbarian flesh, just to make them stand out a bit more and look different enough from the flesh, but still part of the same creature. Now onto the fur parts. I start these parts off with a once over of black grey. Next up is charred brown for the rat on the base and the claws, teeth and that sort of thing around him. I quickly grabbed moon yellow and dotted in the eyes. I then used Vallejo's black to do the base and finish off those eyes. With the flesh parts, I felt like they needed to be a little bit more lighter before the wash goes on, so I used mummy rose to go over all of those raised areas and just leave the corpse pale in the recessed parts. Now onto the dry brushing, I start off with cold grey for the base and all of the fur. With the fur, I try to leave the black around the edges to give it a bit of a fade towards the centre. To finish the dry brush, I use Stonewall Grey. This again is for the base and the fur, but even closer to the centre of the fur this time. Next up are the washes, starting with mid-brown for all of those wing parts. For the flesh parts, I use light tone. This is the lightest wash I have, and now looking at how this looks when it's finished, it might have just been easier to start with Skeleton Horde contrast paint right from the start. The fur needed to look different from the base, so I gave it a once over with dark tone. To finish up the base, I gave it an all-over wash of strong tone. And that will be it for Vargskyr. There's a lot less detail than I thought there would be for a GW Mini, but it still gets the point across of a massive hulking beast stalking the players. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. There you can suggest video ideas or share anything you have been working on. If you want to support the channel more than you already do, check out my Ko-fi page where you can drop a one-off tip towards helping me get better equipment to improve the videos. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.